We have various options in the drag shocks, from single adjust, double adjust, triple adjust remote canister, front struts in double, triple as well.
Penske's known in the road racing world, very well known in the road racing world. I see you have a lineup of drag shocks. Can you tell me about your drag shocks?
We have various options in the drag shocks, from single adjust, double adjust, triple adjust remote canister, front struts in double, triple as well. We have pneumatic options for them as well, for the rears, the fronts.
And how would someone go? Do you have any direct fit applications, or is it all kind of measure and send us your specs?
We usually go build everything by specs. So we do have some chassis manufacturers that we work with that build the chassis for the drag car, like a 4-link car, etc. Depending on their application, they will already have an established length, etc. for their chassis. If you have a car that you purchased that obviously the chassis is used, etc., and you want to freshen it up, you would get a hold of us, give us the dimensions. We'll ask for certain measurements on the car, and then we go from there. The one thing that we do offer is the pneumatic side of things. So the front struts, we do have the option to have a pneumatic change in the rebound dampening. So you can have air on, air off, which will give you 2 separate rebound settings. So you can make it really stiff or soft based on how you want it to react. We have the same option for the rear of the car as well. Air on, air off for the rebound side as well. So you can control how fast or how slow the back end of the car is coming back up from being squatted on a 4-link car.
Gotcha. So when you say pneumatic, I don't see large adjuster knobs. So what is that? What exactly does that mean in terms of making adjustments?
So most of your drag cars have CO2 on it for shifting, trans brake options, things like that, or other options for the chutes, etc. That same CO2 you can plumb into the shock in order to make that adjustment. So through the ECM on the car, you can put a timer on that the air is on, causing the rebound adjuster to be extremely stiff. So the car will squat, get going, and then half track you can turn the CO2 off via the ECM and a timer, and then the back of the car will start to come back up. So when you throw the chutes on the big end, the car's compliant, it's not bouncing all over the place.